Hey, this is Syntekk tutorial for programmers. Now, first of all, there's two things that I forgot to say in my previous tutorial. So, the first thing is object human. At the moment, he can just run out of the walls because I don't have a program that he stops at the walls. So I'm going to add event, collision event, object wall, and when that happens, you drag the move fixed over here, press stop, and it doesn't matter what speed really, because there's not really speed of stopping. So just slowing down for speed. It's okay. Now I can go over to our control. Now, in this, if you remember, this is saying it'll count the amount of coins, and then it will create the coin. And in the create instance thing, I put down random, but that's not good enough. I have to put down between what numbers. Okay, so the max x is 960. So the max x is 736. So we're gonna put 736 down. Now I'll go randomly between 0 and 736. And here the max one is 960, so I'll go randomly between 736 and 960. Yeah, just random's not enough. So okay, so let's get into the new stuff. Okay, so we're gonna create gravity. First of all, I want to delete down, because if you have gravity, you go down automatically. And next to create gravity, we add a step event. So this we want always to be happening. We want its control and take this check empty. We want to make sure that the spot that under is empty. And we make it relative. So if the spot under is empty, that would mean he's in the air. And if he's in the air, we want it to go down. Therefore, we make the gravity forced, and select this one, set gravity in direction 270, because think 0 is to the right. Well, you just all between is this all over 360. So 0 is to the right, 90 is up, 180 is to the left, and so 270 is down. And we want to create the gravity. Let's make it 5. Okay. And then after that, we will put else. So if it is not free, then we don't want any gravity, because we don't want it to go down. So 270, even though it doesn't really matter, and 0. Once you've done this, you go to up, we right click it, and we change it from keyboard to key press. So when it's pressed, we want to, when the up button, one sec. So when the up button is pressed, we want to do what follows. And what I want to do is you delete what's there, then check empty. We want to make sure that the one under it, so 1, is not empty. If it's not empty, then it may jump. So drag move fixed over here, up, and then press 10. Okay. Okay. Next, we want to change the wall around. So we're gonna select our wall sprite. Just edit and transform. Resize canvas 16. Yeah, this is for the level designer, non-transparent. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.